Appropriate. Our weather picture today is of a storm, and the person that sent the picture in, appropriately named Stormy. How about this? This is from Silver City, actually taken a few days ago when a pretty good sale was working through. The picture came in because yesterday, well, I was complaining because there wasn't a whole lot to talk about weather-wise. Well, today, there is plenty to talk about. Not so much around Silver City, although there are a couple of sprinkles just to the south of town. But look at how the radar has lit up over the last couple of hours here in the southeastern part of the state. Southern Roosevelt, northern Lee, and eastern parts of Eddy County really bearing the brunt of these storms. Some of these have been producing some small hail to go along with their heavy rain activity out there. So we take you in close to show you the storms. They're to the south of Portales right now, but between Tatum and Lovington, they are raging right now. These are probably the strongest storms in the state, slowly working their way east, so I think they'll scoot into Texas before too terribly long. And just some scattered activity up to the north and west of Alamogordo, southwest of Socorro, and actually, would you believe there is a sprinkle or two showing up to the south and west of Albuquerque at the present time. Now, prior to the onset of any of the shower action today, it was the same old story. Dry weather out there with these warm southwest breezes blowing in, but we did talk about some of that humid weather kind of backing in with that dry line into the southeastern part of the state. That is exactly what has happened, and that'll be the case through tomorrow, so not much change heading into Monday. South and eastern part of the state, some sporadic afternoon thunderstorms, scattered clouds near the metro by afternoon, and sunshine as you head up towards the north and west. 90 degrees the current temperature out there, 87 in Santa Fe. Notice the temperatures down to the south have been tempered a little bit now that we've got a little bit of that moisture starting to come in. And this moisture, a solid band now kind of working in, coming from southwest heading northeast. So this looks almost monsoonal, doesn't it? Well, not exactly, but let me show you why. Here's the setup. The dry and warm stuff for the western two-thirds of the state, plenty of sunshine. We've got this surface moisture here into the southeast. Now, what is happening, there is that little moist flow on the outer edge of this high pressure. We just don't have that low pressure setting to the west, so it's not a classic monsoon, and it turns out this high pressure is going to come in over the course of the week and really shut down much of that activity. But nonetheless, heading into Sunday, southeast part of the state's where we'll see some showers. And meanwhile, up here on the northwest plateau, southwest Colorado, even into the northern mountains and probably even the northeast plains. We're calling for just another dry day tomorrow. Warm, although the temperature's not too hot out there. Afternoon highs are going to be at or only a couple of degrees above normal at best, but down towards the Sacramento, southeast plains, you'll probably see another shot at some showers and thunderstorms by tomorrow afternoon. East Mountains, probably not going to see rain on Monday. The same for the metro, although we do have a couple of those little sprinkles trying their best to come in tonight. I really think Monday's going to be dry. And places like Santa Fe, 90 tomorrow, pair 91s Tuesday, Wednesday, but the dry weather won't last forever. I said that what's going on now looks kind of monsoonal, even though it's not. We've got some disagreement amongst the computer models, but there is a hint that we could see some monsoon stuff late week by the weekend, and I am keeping my fingers crossed.
Yeah,
for
some
that.
hope in the forecast.
You bet.
Thank you, Jason. Here's what's